Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload video on WhatsApp status without losing quality. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, if you want to have the best quality of your WhatsApp status, you need to open your iPhone camera, then go to the video option, and then at the top right corner you need to enter 4K and 60 FPS options. So after that, you need to record a short video for your WhatsApp status. After recording video, you need to go to your WhatsApp application. Then you need to enter any group you want. Then click on the plus button at the top left corner. Then photos. And after that, you need to choose your video for your status. After that, at the top of your screen, you will see this list of options. You need to find and click on the HD option, and then after that, you need to click on the second option, HD quality. After that, you need to send this video to this chat. After downloading, you need to click on this video, and then at the bottom of the screen, you need to click on this Send To button, and then click on the first option, My Status. You can actually click on a three dots button to choose who can see your status, and after that you need to click on the Done button, and at the bottom right corner you need to click on the green button Forward. So after that you will have the best quality on your WhatsApp status. And that's all. That's how to upload video on WhatsApp status without losing quality. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.